Alakazam! Good afternoon and welcome back to another video, guys. It's so nice to see your beautiful face. I am currently in the cottage and it may look very messy and somewhat dark. That is because we are doing some renovations and I'm moving in here right now. Okay, this is gonna be my new room, so it looks kind of shitty right now. But I have my desk, my computer, all of this set up, so I got my little area right here. Working on getting a TV and all that. So yeah, that's not what this vlog is about. I'll talk about it at a later date. We are going to the Ford dealership to get my car back, and I'm really excited because it's been a month. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. They told me it was gonna happen yesterday, and they said, no, we're not ready yet. So today is the day, and I'm really excited. I'm excited, okay? I'm excited. We're gonna go do that. We're gonna drive over to Morgan Hill, and then I'm gonna drive the car back. In terms of all of the car stuff, here's what happened. We had some issues because, you know, as you know, I had a downpipe and an intercooler. I have other mods, but the downpipe and the intercooler are really what Ford, the people there were like iffy about. They're like, well, the warranty isn't red. No, not happening. We can't cover it under warranty. And we're like, you installed the damn parts. We went over that. They couldn't prove that our parts caused the problem, and even like they told there was some funky shit, okay? They told us that the car was fine when we installed the parts and it was completely under warranty, but no. The engine is covered. We bought a new high pressure fuel pump just in case, and then the mods are taking off, I believe, are just the intercooler core. So I'm gonna keep my piping, and I'm probably gonna put it on at a future date, but for now I think the intercooler is gone. And of course, that's the most expensive part that I have for the car. But yeah, I don't know. They're all expensive. But yeah, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. It's been a long time. So I'll see you guys when we're on our way or something. I also have a surprise for you guys. Behind me are my rims for the Mustang that I got for Christmas. They are from Project 6GR. And oh, you don't get to see them until they're on the car, but boy, am I excited. And I got a pretty aggressive tire setup, and those are going on today, as well as my lighting kit that Jesse got me for Christmas. So that's going on over at BR Racing today. If we can get the car there in time, hopefully we'll have it by tomorrow night. Today I'm going to San Luis Obispo to visit Cal Poly, so we're gonna spend the day there. And oh, am I so excited for this. Oh, you guys don't even know. Oh my God. All right, we're on our way right now. We have my old intercooler, like the stock one, all 4 rims, and the lighting kit. I'm excited. Are you, Dad?
Oh yes, it's been over a month.
I'm just
anxious to get the car back.
Look,
it's raining.
Well, not just is it raining, but does this look familiar, Dad? Like right? I think,
oh yeah, gee, this is right where I pulled in behind you to block you from, you know, traffic demolishing you.
Yeah, I think it's actually here. I'll point it out to everybody.
Oh, it's right here.
Right there, pretty much.
There.
And then we had to push the car forward up to that road sign right there, that 55. Right there. That's where the pickup.
Yeah, I think there's still some shit there from your car.
Yeah, I'm sure there was. All right, I'll see you guys at the dealership. Okay. Okay, bye. We've arrived. My dad has the intercooler. We're walking in. You may notice I'm back home. Well, the car's not ready yet, so that's fucking annoying. We drove 45 minutes to get over there and the car's not even done. But you know what? It's fine. We dropped off the intercooler core, and yeah, so we had to reschedule our appointment with the people that are doing our rims, and yeah, so that's great. I don't know what to do now. I'm going to San Luis Obispo to visit Cal Poly. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but that's what's happening, okay? I'll see you guys, and I guess Saturday is when I'll get the car. I'm gonna be sad now. Okay guys, I'm in a different area right now. Yesterday, you saw me trying to get my car and failing to do so. And I told you I'm going to San Luis Obispo to visit Cal Poly. So right now I'm in Pismo. That's where we're staying. You can, it's really bright. Like I can barely even see over there, but there's the water down there. We got a little a little view right there too, but this one's much better, even though it's super foggy and misty and you can't see anything because it's so bright. But yeah, we're here right now. We got news yesterday on our way down here that the car is actually ready. They had the car started and they were driving it around. They said they put like 20 miles on it because, you know, they're gonna make sure everything's okay. I also got a picture of the hole in the motor, the actual just like a straight up picture, so I'll show you guys that. Probably be on screen right now, who knows? But yeah, there's the hole. As you can see, it's in the side and it's big and it shouldn't be there. So that's great. Anyway, now that I'm back, I'm gonna go get the car today around like 7 on our way back home. So they're just gonna drop me off at the dealership and I'm gonna drive it home. It's gonna be sick. I still have to brake in the motor, so can't drive it super hard, but who knows? Who knows? I'm just excited to have my car back. Monday we're gonna have the rims and the lighting kit installed, so that's gonna be sick. That's pretty much it. Okay, bye. Alright, we're here. Hopefully my car's ready. I'm about to walk into the service department, so wish me luck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. It's back, guys. It's back. 3,973.5 miles. Can't even see it. The first startup with the new engine for me. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, I forgot how good my fucking car sounds. Jeez. Oh yes. Oh, gotta go. Alright guys, sneak peek. By the way, this is so sick. This sweatshirt. I am so happy to be back in my car. I drove it home. I didn't even go over 3,000 RPM. I drove it like a nice person. It is so nice to be back in this car. I just blasted music and just smiled, and like I was just smiling the whole way home. So yeah, I'm gonna investigate the engine bay right now. I'm just gonna look. I'm gonna see if it looks clean. Oh, okay. Well, this is interesting. I did not see this before. But if I shine my light, oh my god. Oh my god. What does this mean, Dad?
What?
What? I did not put this here. Can we please notice that that's a horse?
Kaya.
On the what?
Here.
Come on. Let that focus. Why is that there and why is it a horse? I'm keeping this quarter for the rest of my life. It's from Delaware.
Oh, that's pretty interesting.
But that's pretty fucking weird. That was just there.
Yeah.
Horse and all. What year is it from? What if it's 2016? It's from 1999. That's when I was born. It's going right in there. That's my quarter now. That's my car's quarter. Damn. Damn, that means something. I'm happy. All right, I'm fucking happy, guys. I have my car back. It doesn't have the intercooler in it. The intercooler core. I'm gonna check if the piping and everything is looking to be in the right spot. The car looks pretty shiny right now, but that's because I waxed it literally right before the engine exploded. So, you know, it's pretty damn dirty. Ugh. Well, I think they overfilled my my fluids there. That I might have to bring that up. That's looking a little bit over the maximum. Okay, nice job, Ford. You might wanna. Okay, that's cool, great. Fuck. Update other findings in the car. They left a fucking rag in my engine bay.
Take a picture of that.
I'm getting full on footage, Father.
Hold on.
What the fuck is that? What is that? What is that orange thing? Should I touch it? What?
Wait, hold on.
Fuck. There's a rag.
That's a fucking rag.
And then look, they just left some cap right there. I mean, we can pick that up. We can get that out of there. But I mean, they completely overfilled this.
What is this shit?
I don't know. Now I'm scared. What if they like left a present in here or something? What if there's like a raccoon? And they just didn't even, they just put it here. I feel like I should check other spots. There's no rag on this side, so that's a good and bad, because that means that they did leave a rag inside my engine bay. All right, I'm missing a bolt here too. Not a bolt, but just one of these little plastic things. And then, okay, I'm just documenting this now. So I'm looking at the front of the car, and then I see this. That's obviously not supposed to be there, so I'm pissed off. Okay, so we're at the front of the car. I'm looking, I find this shit. I showed you guys that, and then there's also something right here. Like, you know, and these aren't just like little minor scratches, they're full on complete gouges. There's something right there on the corner. I mean, God knows what else is on the car. I just did a simple walk around, and you know, there's scratches right there, like, and they're pretty deep. And then right here, I have no idea how that got there. You can't even see it, it's small, but I just noticed it, like it shouldn't be there. You can kind of see that. I mean, what the hell? Fuck. We're gonna have to get all that fixed. I have no, oh my God. Are you fucking serious? This right here is what, like, come on. That and this. Oh my Lord. I'm angry right now, but come on, like, it's kind of frustrating when there's deep ass gouges in here. Like, what the fuck? I'm happy to have it back though. Oh, she's back. She's alive! Alright guys, it's the next day. I am super happy to have my car back. Oh God, I am so thankful that I have it back. I'm so, you know, everything. I'm really thankful to have the car back. It is a little frustrating that exterior stuff happened, but we'll get that taken care of, and whatever else we need to get taken care of. But yeah, it's the next day. Like I said, I did some driving around today, and it felt pretty good from what I can tell. I didn't drive it, you know, like race car style, but I drove it. Kaya stopped to work, and then, yeah, to get gas. And for some reason, I couldn't fill my gas tank up all the way. It kept stopping. I don't know what that was about. I hope it's okay. It just like it literally stopped right at 50% full. So I got in the car, and I was like, oh, it should be full. Nope, it wasn't. Oh, Kaya, what are you doing? You want attention? You want attention, Kaya? Oh, yeah, I'll just rub your face, and I don't know how you like this, but okay. Wow, yes. Okay, I just rubbed my dog. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm super happy to be able to tell you that I have my car back, and I'm super excited for my rims and lighting kit on Monday. I will see you guys then. Peace out. Be positive. Do what you want with your life. I love you.